Most men look, but fail to truly connect. Here's the step that changes everything. I'm Dr. Rena, a board-certified urologist with several years of experience caring for men's health. Today, I want to talk about something many men overlook, something that can transform intimacy if approached the right way. You've noticed how much attention men give to a woman's chest visually, yet when it comes to touch, the experience often feels rushed, awkward, or unsatisfying. That's a huge missed opportunity. Because the truth is, breasts aren't just visual. They're deeply sensitive, emotionally meaningful, and when touched with patience, skill, and care, they can become a direct pathway to pleasure, sometimes even orgasm. And for men, learning this isn't about gimmicks, it's about understanding, respect, and connection. Think her breasts are just for visual attraction? Think again. Most men miss the full experience. The breast, especially the nipple and areola, is loaded with nerve endings. For some women, stimulation here can send waves of arousal through the body. For others, it's the emotional connection of feeling truly seen, held, and appreciated. Touch done right isn't just physical, it's deeply emotional. Most men underestimate this. They see the breast, but don't feel it. They miss the emotional cues, the shifts in breath, the microsignals that say, yes, this is pleasurable. Learning to approach with care transforms touch into a shared, intimate experience. Rushing leads to awkwardness. What most men don't realize is that slow is powerful. Start outside in. Begin with broad, gentle strokes along the upper chest, the sides of the ribs, and the tender curve where breast tissue meets the torso. Add kisses along the collarbone, jawline, and neck. Why? Because the nervous system doesn't jump from neutral to ecstasy in 30 seconds. Patience allows her body to shift from guard to receive. A slow, deliberate approach turns touch from ticklish or uncomfortable to electric. Using unscented body-safe lube can make this glide effortlessly, enhancing every sensation. One simple question can transform anxiety into trust. Do you know what it is? Ask her, how do you like your breasts touched? Softer, firmer, hands, mouth, any no-go zones. Simple, honest, and direct. It builds safety, reduces anxiety, and creates a roadmap for intimacy. You can even use a traffic light system. Green, more, keep going. Yellow, slow down, soften. Red, stop. This playful, structured communication removes pressure and builds mutual trust. The way you hold her can either relax her or trigger discomfort. Here's the subtle difference. Support, cradle, and hold with intention. Avoid pinching or squeezing. Use your whole hand to support the weight of the breast. Gentle compression combined with stillness signals safety and desire. The body responds with oxytocin release, arousal increases, and emotional connection deepens. Watch her cues, breath changes, soft sounds, leaning in. These are your green lights to continue and build intensity. The hidden hotspot most men ignore. Miss this, and you miss the peak. The areola is often more sensitive than the nipple itself. Trace slow circles or gentle spirals, teasing toward the nipple, but always supporting the tissue underneath. The combination of tease and support can create waves of sensation across her chest. Being attentive to this area signals care, awareness, and emotional investment, qualities that women feel as profoundly as physical touch. Think of it like a dimmer knob, not a light switch too fast, and it all goes wrong. Start with feather-light strokes on the nipple. Gradually increase pressure if she enjoys it. Lube can prevent friction and ensure comfort. The key is gradual arousal. Patience lets her nervous system respond fully, enhancing pleasure and intimacy. Observe microsignals, the slightest lean forward, soft exhalations, subtle movements. They guide your approach and help you connect with her body. Your breath and lips can ignite sparks, but only if done correctly. Warm breath, gentle tracing, and soft suction can intensify sensations. Avoid teeth or sharp movements unless explicitly requested. Practice control on your forearm first to calibrate pressure and precision. When done thoughtfully, oral touch is a language of care and attention, amplifying intimacy beyond what hands alone can achieve. What if a single whispered word could intensify every touch? Quiet, genuine compliments, short questions like, "Do you like this?" or "more," and matching her breathing amplify the physical sensation. Slow exhalations signal relaxation, safety, and emotional alignment. Words and breath transform touch from mechanical to deeply resonant. One simple combination can unlock experiences most men never achieve. Combine breast play with what she already enjoys, often clitoral stimulation. Layer sensations carefully, adjusting only one variable at a time. This focus allows her nervous system to lock onto pleasure, maximizing intensity without overwhelming her. Heat or coolness can heighten sensitivity, but only if approached carefully. Warm palms, cool fingertips, or gentle breath create contrast and intensify sensation. Toys, if used, should be high quality, adjustable, and introduced gradually. Monitor for any discomfort, numbness, or skin changes. Safety and consent remain paramount. The moment after can be more intimate than the act itself. Most men overlook it. Hold her, breathe with her, and allow her to decompress. Post-touch connection reinforces trust, intimacy, and emotional safety. Many women report this phase as profoundly satisfying, often more memorable than the touch itself. With these steps, you can turn an awkward touch into an unforgettable experience. Consent first, ask, agree on signals. Start wide, move in slowly. Cradle with intention, observe cues. Layer touch, breath, and words. Include aftercare, hold, breathe, connect. These 5 principles guide every interaction, making touch intentional, emotionally resonant, and deeply pleasurable. Age is not a limitation. Your experience can make you better than younger men ever could. Patience, emotional intelligence, and body awareness are strengths that come with time. You can cultivate intimacy, pleasure, and trust at any stage of life. Sexual vitality, emotional closeness, and masculine confidence can thrive well into your 70s and beyond. Remember, your best years of intimacy and connection are not behind you, they're ahead. With focus, care, and attention, you can create experiences that are unforgettable, meaningful, and deeply satisfying for both you and her.